Dry storage shipping containers are the most popular container types on the market, followed by refrigerated containers, or at times referred to as reefer containers. So one of the reasons why reefer containers are not as popular for building container homes is the issue of material. Most of them are made of aluminium, and therefore cutting and welding can be a bit of a challenge. In this video, we present an exception of an amazing project built using a refrigerated shipping container. This project is built using a hybrid of concrete, glass, steel, and timber to create this amazing shipping container house. From the look of this amazing view, you will appreciate the high quality of workmanship executed using the different types of materials to create an amazing shipping container cabin. That's a view of one of the bedrooms. You will notice the interior is left exposed, showcasing the shipping container, corrugated walls and ceilings painted in a shade of white. There's a view of the kitchenette showing the kitchen counter and a selected set of appliances. That is the general view of the living space, showing the dining area and the lounge in the background. There's also a fireplace and the provision of full height glazed openings that slide open to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. There's an opposite view of the living space, showing the kitchen in the background and the lounge in the foreground. You will also appreciate the use of the mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. That's a general view of the project from outside. You'll notice the use of concrete, there's glass on the pergola, there's timber on the railing, and the shipping container in the background painted black to showcase how amazing a refrigerated shipping container can be transformed into an amazing container cabin. This is a view of the bedroom, a closer view of the bathroom. I love the quality of finishes and workmanship in this amazing cabin. The general view of the lounge area showing the dining. There's this cupboard here with utensils, and on this extreme end is a continuation of the kitchenette. That's a closer view of the lounge showing the wall-mounted flat-screen TV, and I love the use of wall lights to enhance lighting on the inside. The general view of the kitchen and the living space on the extreme end. That's the bed space. The bathroom again showing good quality of fittings. I love this wash and basin and even the storage beneath. A closer view of the glass on the pergola, creating a sheltered outdoor living space. The bedroom, you'll appreciate the use of good sized windows for daylighting. There's a fire pit outside and there's the outdoor sitting area. The general view from the side elevation showing the bed space, the full height glazing, and the retention of the container cargo doors, which are serving as window shutters to secure the space when not in use. That's a general view of the access and the approach to the cabin, and you'll appreciate the serene environment and setting in which this amazing cabin is domiciled. A closer view of the railing and the pergola, showing the beautiful lighting to create a nice sensation at night. So what do you think about this shipping container project? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. In addition to the challenges that I had mentioned earlier, there were 4 that were remaining. I'll be glad to hear your opinions by giving your suggestions in the comment section below. If you love shipping container projects, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.